How to set up donations on Twitch. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and log into your Twitch account. So this is what it looks like. And then now I have created my account on Twitch. To proceed with our tutorial, you just have to go to any web browser again and then type Streamlabs. So as you can see here, I don't have my Streamlabs account yet. And if you're like me who don't have Stream account too, then you just have to click this and then tap sign up. You can see here you have two options. You can either sign in or sign up. And then you can sign up using your email address. Okay, then set a password. Now, once done, all you have to do is to click authorize and then wait as it is processing. As you can see, it's a success. So once you have created your Twitch account and Streamlab, what you're going to do is to simply connect your channel to Streamlabs. So here you just have to click Twitch, connect, and as you can see, it is now processing. Now scroll down, or you can just simply read all of this here and then tap authorize. Okay, and then wait as it is processing. So once you're connected, you can now go to your dashboard and then you just have to go to your settings, scroll down and go to settings. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply tap platforms. And as you can see, your Twitch is now connected to your Streamlabs. Okay. And then what you're going to do now is to go to tipping. Okay. Tap tipping. And then here, you just have to select your tip method. We have here credit card. You can connect your credit card and you can also connect your PayPal. I think it would be easier because it says here recommended. So you just have to connect your PayPal plus here and then that's it. Now, this is your link. We're going to copy that later. Okay. So here you can also see your tip history, tip settings, and so on. Okay, so what you're going to do now, once you have connected your tip method or payment method, you can go back to your Twitch. And then here you have to simply go to your account and then click this channel here. And then after that, you just have to scroll down till you see this about. Okay, tap about and then scroll down again. And then toggle on this edit panels, turn on, scroll down again, click this plus icon here, click this, add text for panel, and then here what you're going to do is just simply type donate, okay, and then link. You just have to go back to your Streamlabs and then copy this one, okay, and then paste it there. As simple as that. Now, description is not necessary. Once done, all you have to do is click submit, and you can also add image if you want. Okay, so wait as it is processing. So I edit it and added image. Now what you're going to do here is to simply reload or refresh. Now if you tap this one, it will take you directly to your Streamlab. And that's it. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.